All right, everyone, ready to unlock your fitness potential? Today, I'm sharing my top 5 gym tips for beginners. Today, trust me, these will supercharge your workouts and get you on the fast track to those gains. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, warm up. Always start with a proper warm-up. It gets your blood pumping and preps your muscles for action. Try some dynamic stretches or a light cardio session. You'll thank yourself later. Moving on to tip number 2, focus on form. Forget about lifting the heaviest weights if your form isn't spot on. Proper form not only maximizes your gains but also prevents injuries. So, slow it down and make every rep count. Now tip number 3, stay hydrated. Water is your best friend in the gym. Dehydration can zap your energy and mess with your Keep that water bottle handy and sip often. Tip number 4, mix it up. Don't stick to the same routine day in and day out. Variety keeps things interesting and challenges muscle groups. Try different exercises, equipment, and even workout style. Finally, tip number 5, rest and recover. Your muscles need time to rebuild and grow stronger. Schedule rest days and don't be afraid to take it easy when your body progress happens during recovery. All right, that's a wrap. Implement these tips and you'll be well on your way to unlocking your fitness potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you next time, and happy lifting.